Keyless Enter and Go lets you lock or unlock the doors and liftgate and start or shut down your engine without ever touching your key fob, as long as the fob can be detected by the vehicle. To lock or unlock the vehicle, you'll need to have the key fob on your person, within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of the handle in use. The sensors are located inside the door and liftgate handles. Grab a door handle and the door will unlock. To unlock the liftgate, just push the electronic liftgate release for a power open on vehicles equipped with a power liftgate. Pull and lift the handle for manual liftgate vehicles. To lock all the doors, push either of the lock buttons located on the outside of the front door handles. Don't activate the unlock sensor inside the handle, or you might accidentally unlock the door. To lock the liftgate, push the lock button located to the right on the underside of the liftgate handle. You can also lock the doors with the lock button on the interior door panel or with the lock button on the key fob. To start the engine, make sure the transmission's in park. Then depress and hold the brake pedal while pushing the engine start-stop button and you're good to go. To turn off the engine, come to a complete stop, shift into park. Then push and release the engine start-stop button. To use accessories without starting the vehicle, don't depress the brake pedal. Instead, just push the engine start-stop button once to enter the accessories or ACC position. From there, you can activate the radio, wipers, and windows. Push the button a second time to enter the on-run position, so you can activate the instrument cluster and certain climate controls. Push the button a third time to return to the off-lock position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.